Welcome to our Java programming tutorial. Today, we will dive into implementing a loyalty reward system. This system is essential for businesses looking to retain customers and increase their engagement through rewards. Are you ready to transform your Java skills? Let's get started. First, let's outline the structure of our loyalty reward system. We will have customers, transactions, and loyalty points. Each customer may earn points for every transaction they make, and they can redeem these points for rewards. Let's define our customer class. In this class, we have private fields for the customer ID, name, and loyalty points. The constructor initializes these fields, setting the loyalty points to 0. Next, we need to add getters and setters. Now that our customer class is complete, we will create a transaction class. A transaction will represent a purchase made by the customer, and points will be awarded based on the transaction value. Let's set this up. The transaction class includes a transaction ID, a customer ID to identify which customer made the purchase, and the transaction amount. We will add getters for these fields next. At this point, we have our customer and transaction classes set up. Next, we want to create a loyalty manager class that will handle the logic for point calculation and redemption. Let's move on to implementing that. In our loyalty manager class, we have maps to store customers and transactions. Now let's add a method to register a new customer. With the register customer method, we can easily add customers to our system. Now let's implement a method to add a transaction and calculate the loyalty points based on the transaction amount. Typically, companies award 1 point for every dollar spent. The add transaction method creates a new transaction, stores it, and updates the customer's loyalty points accordingly. Don't forget to handle cases where the customer ID might not exist. Let's move on to implement methods for checking a customer's loyalty points. The getLoyaltyPoints method retrieves the customer's current points. Now that we've completed the basics of our loyalty manager, let's discuss rewards. We'll create a simple reward system where customers can redeem points for discounts. With the redeem points method, we check if the customer has enough points and then process the redemption. Next, let's put everything together and add a main method to showcase our loyalty reward system in action. In the main method, we initialize the loyalty manager, register a customer, process a couple of transactions, and demonstrate retrieving loyalty points and redeeming them. Let's go through the output step by step to understand the workings. When we register Alice, there are no points yet. After her transactions, she will earn points based on the total amount from the transaction order. In this case, she should have 170 loyalty points. If she redeems 100 points, her remaining points will be 70. It's straightforward and allows for expanding this simple architecture as needed. You can add more features like different point earning rates, bonus structures, or even tier levels. Now that we have our loyalty rewards system implemented, let's expand our functionality a bit. One common feature is to add levels to your loyalty program. For example, customers may get bonus points for reaching a certain threshold of cumulative spending. In this modified add transaction method, we check if the customer has reached a points threshold that qualifies them for bonus points. You can tweak these thresholds and bonuses as suits your business model. We also might want to include a method that provides a summary of a customer's transaction history and their loyalty status. The print customer summary method gathers and displays all necessary information associated with a customer. This gives not just an overview, but helps customers understand the reward system they can benefit from. Finally, let's wrap things up. You now have a solid foundation to build on for a loyalty reward system using Java. You can customize this system to fit various use cases and enhance the user experience by adding a UI or integrating with existing systems. Thank you for joining me in this Java tutorial on implementing a loyalty reward system. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and feel free to comment below with any questions or additional features you'd like to explore. Happy coding!